Hi everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 29 of 30 tips in 30 days how to get stuff done. So we're coming towards the end of our 30 tips in 30 days. This is the penultimate tip tonight and then the last one tomorrow. So today's tip is about goals. I am passionate about having goals and I would love it if you were too. And if you can't be passionate about it, I would love it if you would just write them down. But there is a tip to writing them down to make it more likely that they will be accomplished or that you'll be able to accomplish them. When you write down your goals, write them in the past tense as if they have already been accomplished. I am so happy and grateful that, fill in the blank, whatever it is for you. What that does is it starts to allow you to unconsciously move towards activities, behaviors, and habits that will lead you in the direction of accomplishing your goals. It is also a strategy that's used in manifestation, but I'm not going to talk about that tonight. I'm going to focus just on the psychological impact of writing your goals down as if they have already happened. Your brain doesn't necessarily know the difference between something that has really happened and something that you have imagined that has happened, which is why visualization is so successful for athletes. It can work in helping you to accomplish your goals as well. So write your goals in the past tense. I'm so happy and grateful that I have, fill in the blank, whatever your goal is. Make it as specific as possible. Make it as detailed as possible. Make sure that there's a date attached to it. And then have some fun talking about the benefit of having accomplished that goal and all the things that you're able to do as a result of that. I would encourage you to write it on a 3x5 card or a similar sort of thing. Keep them handy and review them every single day. And watch as you start to move yourself towards accomplishing your goals. So I hope that's helpful, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Bye now.